Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today my son and I are going to show you how to make a water propagator or a hydro propagator. Things you can find at, say, your local Walmart. It's a do-it-yourself version to save a little bit of money instead of buying one from the store or from Amazon, but accomplishes the same thing, and I find it gives a lot better success rate when I'm taking cuttings from plants than just sticking them in a glass of water. So the first thing you need obviously is something like a Rubbermaid like this. This one's fairly large, but we're going for about 24 sites on this one. So I guess pick whatever one you want and just determine how many sites you want on yours. Next thing you need is a pool noodle. We have this one lying around. An aquarium air pump, some air tubing, and a couple of air stones. Tools you need: a Sharpie, a drill if you have one, or a razor blade if you don't, and a pair of scissors. So we've gone ahead and marked ours where we want to drill our holes. We're going to do 24 sites. I just basically measured across. They should be fairly evenly spaced, but again, it's not that important. First thing we're going to do is we're going to drill our holes.
That's pretty cool.
Hold it here. That's the trigger. I'll hold it. Alright, now that we have the main holes drilled, we're going to go ahead and drill 2 holes for the air lines, one for kind of each half. So I'm going to put one over here and then another one over here, just the small holes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clear this off, get rid of all these cuttings. Alright, so now I've got the holes mostly cleaned up. What you're going to want to do is cut a piece of pool noodle for every single one of the holes.
Yeah.
You only want it to be about 1 inch thick because it just really has to sit in between the edges there. So that's what we're trying to do. We're going for something like this. And then they just fit in the holes like that, actually. And then you can put your plant in through there. Depending on the size of your plant stem, obviously, you can make them different sizes if you needed to. And that's pretty much it. Oops.
That's folded in there.
Now that we've got all the holes filled up with our pool noodles, we're going to go ahead and put the air stones inside and run the air line through the top. So now we've got the air lines connected and everything's hooked up. We can fill it up to the top with water, or nearly to the top, and then start putting plant cuttings inside.
We can fill in though. We have to fill in that. Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thanks for watching our video today. If you guys enjoyed, please think about subscribing to the channel and clicking the like button. See you guys next time.